So this is a doorbell camera door mount, and it's perfect for your front door. So this little part right here is where your camera is going to go in. So once you go ahead and put that in, it's actually a nice sort of fit. You don't need any sort of padding or anything like that. Now this part is the part that's going to go around your door. On the inside, it has sort of a padding right here so that this part that's going to be stuck on your door is not going to actually mark it. It's going to go around your door, and this part is the extra part. You're going to put a sort of like a screw that comes with it to sort of adjust, because again, all doors are different sizes. So you have this piece right here that's going to be again padded, because this is the other part that's going to be on your door. So now that you have these two parts set up, you can simply stick it in your door, and as you can see, this is the part that's going to go on the door, and you just tighten this. Once you go ahead and tighten, you're going to see that it clamps onto the door. Once it's tight enough, you can go ahead and let go, and you have your door mount set up. So this is how it looks from the back. Is now the front of the door, and as you can see, you have the camera part, and then you have the doorbell part, and it is so secure. It is blending in, and then there are no screws to go into the door to damage the door. So it's very easy. If you have to change the battery or take this off, you just go ahead and untighten that part that we just tightened and then take it off.